सारी हाथ लगा लो ऐसे ही उधर फिर आ जाएगा आ जाओ आ जाओ
Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished guests, Bhaiya of previous batches and beloved Mauryaans. I, Cadet Harsh Kumar, Entertainment and Cultural Captain, Sainik School Nalanda, feel privileged to extend my hearty welcome to everyone present here. For the next 60 minutes, hold your hearts because our cultural team who have come all the way from Rajasthan are going to showcase the immersive and awe-inspiring culture of Rajasthan through their programs that I am pretty sure will fill you all with a sense of admiration and respect for them. Today, we will witness a performance from our stickmaker Kalbelia team. Talking about the Kalbelia dance, it's a traditional folk dance of a community of Thar Desert in Rajasthan. This dance is more than just a form of entertainment. It's an expression of Kalbelia community traditional way of life. It was included in the UNESCO list of intangible cultural heritage in 2010. The dance form consists of swirling graceful movements that make this dance a treat to behold. The movements associated with the Kalbelia also make it one of the most sensuous form of folk dance in India. Now, without further ado, I would like to hand over the stage to Sri Suramnath Kalbelia and his team for their performance. Please welcome them with a huge round of applause.
ये हम लोग थाली को जिस तरह से भी कलाकार जिस तरह से
memorable occasion. First and foremost, I would like to thank Principal Sanic School Naranga, Colonel Tamajit Biswas. Despite his busy schedule, he has found time to grace this occasion and also for taking a historic decision to conduct maiden meet of Old Boys Association. I would also like to thank Vice Principal Sanic School Naranga for his contribution to make this event come true. I would like to show my gratitude to Administrative Officer Sanic School Naranga for his logistical support. I would also like to thank
on behalf of entire Moran fraternity, stand here to extend our sense of gratitude for school and its staff for having conducted a wonderful Old Boys Association meeting. Now, needless to say that the entire day was filled with nostalgic moment. Going through all different activities, including games and everything, along with cadets, it was again wonderful. Now, it has been a hell of a journey for us, for many of us, in fact all of us, and so it will be. Now let me also tell you that every bit of the credit goes to the school, to the teachers who taught us and who will be teaching you all. Once in future you too will be alumni of the school. Now coming to the points and agenda which were discussed today, yes, there is no denying the fact that the turnout was not that impressive. I mean, only 20 plus individuals, alumni. But let me assure you that in coming future, in years to come, an impressive number of alumni will turn up. You will see dignitaries from all walks of life. I will not say dignitaries, in fact people who have excelled in different walks of life will come and share their experiences with you all, the cadets who would be studying right then. Now to that extent, perhaps having this Old Boys Association meeting on somewhere second or third Sunday of December, I guess would be a better occasion. While this can again be deliberated later on, but then this month would certainly be okay with every one of us.
A nostalgic moment for me. I was not expecting that I will be called on to the stage and felicitated by my dear old cadets. In fact, what Guru has mentioned just now is absolutely true in reference spirit. We were just 4 staffs, self, Mr. Diksha, Mr. SP, and Mr. Patnago. After 6 months, because of the hectic schedule and duties, he has requested Colonel Nagara sir to transfer him back to his own mother school. But we have done our bit. We went through thick and thin of the school, and today I stand on this podium as a satisfied teacher and recall back my days that I have molded. I was instrumental in molding many of our students